Let's talk about creating exemplars. There is the ability within advanced feedback to build your own resource library. So take those exemplars, upload them. You can then use them when you're doing more formal coaching to recommend it as part of your formal coaching. But it's also a tool for your instructional coaches, a great way to support your new teachers, a tool for just professional development in general, but also to share across buildings. So I'll ask that you guys maybe give us 2 or 3 minutes of how you're doing this.
And I know we've touched on it earlier in our presentation, but this is a work in progress for us. So as teachers, because there's no way you're going to come out of the gates and have them want to upload and have everybody use it. It's not practical, and it is vulnerable. So as teachers have become more comfortable, as we've become more focused on what we're looking for, if it's something on an exit ticket, or if it's something on an assessment or grouping, or maybe just the we do section of presenting instructional content, we have them submit the videos, and then we've been trying to build a library. And we use that library across our buildings because who better than to learn from than each other? And we have experts in our own building. So we don't always need to look outside of our building for experts on how to do things. It actually has really increased the confidence of many folks of saying, no, you know what, you are a rock star. We want to take what you do in your classroom and we want to show it to everyone. Or you know what, as the principal, you've done a fantastic job leading your ILT, and we can learn from each other and have other new principals that are just getting started watch that ILT. So it's really been a tremendous growing in terms of coaching at all levels, and it helps us build that exemplar library. We would, at some point, as all of you do this more and more, we would love to share across that networked improvement community, as colleagues with each other, so that we can see what other folks are doing, because we always are looking to learn and grow. But right now we're just looking within our district and finding our experts on how to do things.
Like Stephanie said, we're at the very beginning stages of this and trying to get it going. What's been nice is our collaborative teachers, it's given them a forum to be able to share videos with us, get feedback, re-video if need be. And at this point, we're at re-video. But, thinking about this particular thing or that particular thing, and then being able to upload another video. So also being able to show like where someone started to where they end is powerful as well. Mm-hmm.
One of the things that we hear from a lot of educators is they feel like some of the best professional learning they get is from the teacher down the hall, right? Yeah. You've all heard that. Okay, lots of head nodding. Sometimes that teacher's not down the hall. Sometimes that teacher's in another school in the district. Creating this library of exemplars is powerful, and being able to observe, just using video in general. Even with these shortages, our staffing shortages and challenges, it's harder and harder to get a sub so you can go and observe someone. We're hearing that all the time now. So again, this is just another use case for using video. You can observe other teachers, you can have, you can get mentoring or peer feedback from a teacher that you really admire, that you've only met once, but you've seen them teach and they're amazing. You can share your video through our secure system with them and get feedback, or ask them to share one with you. And then over time, as the district is doing, build your own library. So as you can imagine, we hear this a lot about what other support can you provide. You guys are the lucky ones. I'm going to announce this at lunch, but I'm going to tell you right now, you heard Michael Moody talk about this a little bit. Insight Advance is coming together with Teaching Channel. So how many people know Teaching Channel? Everybody, right, okay. Teaching Channel has this amazing history of creating a library of exemplar videos. And it covers so many different subject areas, diverse populations. I don't have to sell you on it, let's put it that way. This is a great tool. So think about some of your teachers who may be a little hesitant to get started and uploading their own videos. Wouldn't it be great if they could just search for a video that fits sort of their situation or strategy that they're looking for? So this is advanced feedback. You folks know this. Most of the people in the room know this. You can upload a video, everything we've talked about. But take a look. There's a button here on the left-hand side that says Teaching Channel. And those of you that use advanced feedback in your districts are going to be able to click that simple button and access 1,474 videos from Teaching Channel. You'll be able to dig in, so I'll do a very quick example again for the sake of time. Let's say I was looking for a STEM video, but project-based learning STEM video, and I used that search term. Well, I didn't get one match, I got 69 matches. So what do we have here? Well, let's look at this one. It's a 34-minute video, so the full class session that I can play right here within advanced feedback. So I'll do that. I'm going to bring the volume way down. But not only can I play it here, I can zoom in and go full screen right within the same professional learning platform that you're used to using in advanced feedback. So a tremendous resource is coming your way. So two ways to build exemplars. You can do it over time on your own. Notice that near the top over here on the left, it says Resource Library. That is a place where you can put your own videos, but now through Teaching Channel, we'll be able to bring these other exemplar videos. Again, I'll say the number again, 1,474 videos coming to you to use at any time.